What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with more from A Flock of Seagulls and their 1995 album The Light at the End of the World. And the next track is Life is Easy, a title I fully expect to have some irony or sarcasm or to be far more complicated than the overtly positive phrasing would lead you to believe. And yes, whether or not there is some sincerity to the title, I fully expect it to be more complicated and more complex than just a straightaway happy and jubilant feeling. And in that regard, I wouldn't be surprised if it is ironic or sarcastic to be rather fitting to the current moment. And I'll leave it at that. Let's give it a listen. This is A Flock of Seagulls. The song is Life is Easy, and it's from their 1995 album, The Light at the End of the World. love that deep bass. And speaking of bass, the bass guitar was jamming, like very deep and funky and dynamic bass playing on that one. So that really did stand out. So here's the thing. I feel like lyrically it's more sincere than I expected and more specific about romantic love. And yet two things make me think my intro wasn't terribly or completely off base. Number one, there's a suggestion that up until this point, or up until you do find love in the capacity or in the manner he's referring to, that it can be tough and difficult. I mean, he keeps saying, it will get better, don't give up on your wildest dreams, with the implication that the person being addressed and any person who might be hearing it has gone through breakups, has felt hurt and sad and brokenhearted, and thus suggesting that it will get better means it hasn't been great, or there have been bad times and sad feelings prior to this moment of being in love. Secondarily, the chorus, which is the lightest part of the tune, meaning the verses and instrumental interludes between the vocal parts, they do feel a bit ominous and heavy, a bit dissonant and dark. So I think that might also be a key, that it's not as completely rosy as the title and indeed as the chorus suggests. Now the chorus does feel a bit bright, but it's almost like tongue-in-cheek. The la la la's, life is easy, it feels like it's maybe delusional, or that the person telling you this is maybe compensating or covering for the pain and heartbreak and breakups that he's felt and gone through prior to declaring that life is easy. So it feels like there's, if you read between the lines, it maybe is a bit dark and pained, even if the direct and explicit message is all you gotta do is find the girl of your dreams, fall in love, and life is easy. It's la 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 la. So yeah, it feels like there's maybe more than meets the eye here happening, even if lyrically it's more directly positive or literal than I expected when I looked at the title. So yeah, sonically again, there's a darkness, there's a heaviness, the bass is cracking away, and I'm intrigued by what the essence thematically is happening here. That's not great grammar, but bear with me here. Nevertheless, I'm intrigued by the track, and although it might not be my favorite even on this album, I do think it's an interesting tune because I don't know how seriously to take the chorus. So, in any case, let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Peace.